Hi everybody, it's Craftin' Just Because with Chris Cowan, and today we're playing with the Nuts and Bolts set. And if you've been following me this week, you've seen that I've created some projects with this fun set. I love the little robot guys. They're fun to color. I love the little sentiments. And today we're making this cute little box that holds two regular size peanut butter cups. And so I'm going to show you how to make this. It's very simple, easy to put together. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So you're first going to want to bring in your paper trimmer. And I have a piece of Highland Heather cardstock, and it measures 5 1/4 by 8 1/4. And on the 8 1/4 inch side, you want to score it at 1 1/4, at 3 1/2, at 4 3/4, and at 7. Then you're going to rotate it onto the 5 1/4 inch side, and you want to score it at 1 1/4, and at 4. And then you're done with your paper trimmer. Next, you're going to want to bring in your bone folder, and we're going to fold and burnish all those score lines. Okay. Then on the long side, you want to bring in your paper snips, and you're going to cut up the score line to those intersecting score lines, and you're going to wedge on the square. And you're going to do that on all the score lines on both sides of the cardstock. So one thing to note if you're making, or you need to make a few treats, is out of one sheet of cardstock, you can make 2 of these little boxes. So that's something handy to know. I like to make multiples of things. Okay, now what you're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start gluing up my box. And so I'm going to just add adhesive there. And fold that in. Add adhesive on that side. Fold it in. And the bottom part, we're going to secure the box totally together. So this is going to fold back, and these two are going to come in. So on the middle one, you're going to glue that to the base of the box. Up. Oops. And now we're just going to put the lid together. Now this box could be useful for a lot of things. You could put money in there, jewelry in there, candy in here. I just thought it fit the Reese's peanut butter cups perfectly. Okay, so while we have that open, let's go ahead and add our Reese's peanut butter cup. So it holds 2. Close that up. Then I have some designer series paper here, and it's cut at 2.5 by 2. And then I did 2 pieces that are 2 inches by 1 inch, and then one that's 2.5 by 1 inch. And I'm going to use the opposite side for the sides. Goes perfect with that Highland Heather paper. Okay, let that dry for a minute. Then I took the heart punch pack and I did 1 piece of the designer series paper and 1 of basic white. And we're gonna go ahead and stamp "You Make My Heart Go Beep" right on down there. And then I'm just gonna take the little hearts and stamp those up here. And then we'll color those in with Highland Heather. Stamp and blend. Okay, and then I'm just going to layer these together and then add it to the front of the box. And then you have a fun little Valentine that you can gift to somebody that you love. So there's our little boxes, you guys. Super easy project, super fun to make. I hope you enjoyed the craft today. If you have any questions, you can always private message me. Reminder, all the dimensions and how to make is on my blog. And until next time, my creative peeps, I will see you later. Bye-bye.